What to do if it won't charge. Today I'm going to teach everyone how to quickly activate a battery using a phone charger. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. We can also use it to charge. This battery is an 18,650 lithium battery with 3-key magnetic voltage. When we put it into this electrical product, it doesn't work at all. I charged it all night last night, but it didn't input any power. This electric product hasn't been used for a long time, which caused the lithium battery inside to be starved. Now let's check it out. This is the negative section, this is the positive section, and we're going to power this electric. Now we turn on the switch. The switch is on, everyone can see. The switch is now on, but there's no power at all. The battery is completely drained. What to do? We use this phone charger to activate the battery. First, we need to take this battery out. If we don't activate it, we won't be able to charge it. Because last night, I charged it all night and there was no power. This is the charging port. Now we will use the phone charger to activate it. We will cut the part of the phone charger that connects to the phone. Now we will use the phone charger to activate it. We will cut the part of the phone charger that connects to the phone. I prepared this in advance and cut it. Then we find a phone charger head, plug it in. Positive to positive, negative to negative. We will connect it directly like this. Let's look at it and find a power strip. Plug it in, force it to charge and activate. That can't be self-made. We cut off the power once after 5 or 6 seconds. This will be able to be activated. Charge only after activation. If it is not activated, it is the same as ours, and this charge cannot be charged with any electricity. Repeat this 10 times. Force activation. Okay, now let's recharge it. After about 2 minutes, we'll see if it works. This method is very effective. The lithium battery in the house is dead. The dry battery at home is dead. We can all use this method to activate the mediation. But it was a temporary emergency. Now 2 minutes have passed. Let's see if it works. Let's test it out by powering it off. Or put it in this electric product. Look, everybody. After you put it away, immediately there was power. Let's take a look. The battery was charged. That's if the lithium battery dies. Lithium batteries are going to work. We can use a mobile phone charger to activate the charge for it. Let's see after opening it. There is a certain reaction. Share this method with friends. I hope it will be help. Check my other videos. Thanks for watching.